today's workout. We're doing a Barre Bootcamp style day. This is butt and thighs, and all you need for this routine is a chair. So jump in with me, here we go. We're gonna start here with some plies. So each time as you straighten, I want you to tuck the tailbone in and keep drawing that belly button into your spine. We're gonna start this center floor. So starting in second position, hold the core nice and tight. Hands are gonna be in prayer. We're gonna start here with some plies. So each time as you straighten, I want you to tuck the tailbone in and keep drawing that belly button into your spine. Beautiful. Just like that. So today's routine is going to be all about the thighs and the booty. So that's why it's called boot camp, because we're really focusing on those muscles that really need to be pumped up. So here we go. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so now we're going to be using that chair. So if you don't have one, you're going to be center floor. So we're starting with that passe. Lift the arm up and draw the toe up the side of the leg. Okay, so lengthen here. Stay nice and long. Beautiful. So if that hip tries to come up, keep it even. We want everything to be in one straight line here. So tiny lifts. We're going to lift that knee. Tiny inches. Good. Keep the knee facing the side. It's going to keep working those inner thighs and the glutes. Right here, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold that passe. Arm comes down in front. We're going to extend the leg out to the front. Bring it back through passe. Extend to the side. So notice that I'm keeping my leg pretty low here. I am lengthening through my arms and legs. Beautiful. So it's all about those lines. Beautiful. Give me 8 here. 5, 4, 3. I know it burns. And 1. Good job. Slide that leg on down. So don't worry, we're gonna even it up and do the other side. So right here, I want you to slide your arm. So your elbow's gonna come down to the chair. And then naturally our torso is over to the side. So right here, my hips are still stacked. Leg comes up, hip, height. Right here, we're gonna hold it. Flex the foot. Now make sure that your core is still engaged here. Tiny lifts. Yeah, there you go. Woo! So the belly sometimes wants to like pouch out here. Keep it engaged. Good job. Last 10, 9, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Lower down. All right, we're gonna take it over. So right here, we have a little butt ab combo. So same thing. That belly wants to come out, draw the tummy in. I've got 2 fingertips here. I'm going to release the leg, bring my torso down, and then pull the knee in. Making sure you have enough space here. Yes, beautiful. Good. Now here, if those hips start to hike up, you gotta bring it back down. So keep everything in line. Good. Last 5. One more. Woo! Good job. All right. So we're still working. Slight bend in that bottom leg. Bring the heel into the booty. We're going to lift. Right here, we're going to get that butt lift in this tiny movement. Good. Lifting that toe. Good job. This one's quick. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slide it in. Woo! I know. That one really burns. Okay, so facing the front before we switch sides, I want you to put one foot in the front, one foot in the back. Good, so you have a separation here. Lift the heels off the floor. You're in a forced arch position. That means the balls of your feet are on the ground, and we got a slight bend in those legs, but not all the way down. So if you're all the way down here, you gotta pick it up a little bit. Here we go. So right here, simple tiny movement. I want you to straighten and then plie. Good. So each time that you straighten, you're squeezing those inner thighs together. Woo! Now it looks easy, right? But then after a while, it starts to burn. Woo! I'm right here with you. All right, give me 10 here. Last 3. You can do this. 2. Woo, and 1. Yes, good job, babe. Shake it out. Now right here, we're gonna go ahead and switch sides. So I'm right here with you in round 2. We are doing our other side to even ourselves out. Right here, we've already gone through those plies. Right here, I want you to lift up with that passe. Yep, same thing here. Beautiful, good job. Hold it out, really get the rotation. Good, opening up that elbow and the arm. Our shoulders are wide. Good, pulse it out. Good job, 8 more. Good, 3, 2, and 1. Right here. We take it front and side. Same thing as before. Front and open side. And now if you're struggling with those arms, right? I know not everybody was a ballerina. So if you're struggling with those arms doing 2 things at once, I know how you feel. Just really focus on those legs. Good, so stay lifted. Remind yourself that you're lifting up the entire time. 7, 6, keep that core in tight. 5, 4, 3, stay lifted. And 1, good. Slide that leg down. Right here, same thing. Take that elbow over to the side. We're engaged here. Good, raise it up. Now make sure both hips are in line. Beautiful. Good, we're flexing that foot. Good job. Tiny lifts now that we're here. Now keep your chest open to me. Woo! Nice job. Hair braid in the way. Good, give me 10 here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo, good job. All right, leg in the back and raise it back in. So this is a compound movement for us today because we're working the legs, the butt. We also have the abs. It doesn't feel like it, but we do. Good. So those inner thighs are shaking, the glutes are burning, and we still got our abs working. Last 8 here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, staying low right here. Option to take those forearms down to the chair or your bar, whatever you're working with. Good, and lift it up. Now remember, we're only here for a short bit. Good, give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. The burn is real. Okay, so we're here. We've got 1 foot in front, 1 foot in the back, opening up those hips. Good, we've got our chair for balance. If not, Then you're here, center floor. Lift those heels off the ground. Here we go. Woo, yes. This is so good. This thigh burner. Yep, keep straightening. Woo. Nice, really squeeze those thighs in together. Good job, last 8. Good, lifting up through those arms. Good, fingertips are nice and light. Last 3, 2, and 1. Lower it down, beautiful. Let's go ahead and get rid of this chair, and I'll meet you back in the center. Right here, we're going to open it up through second position. Good. So give me a plie and straighten each time. All right, so this is normally the time I'm telling you to do it again, but we're going to finish up strong before you do your round by yourself. Right here, we're going to open it up through second position. Good. So give me a plie and straighten each time. Good. So we've got a little finisher today to finish up our butt and thigh workout. Woo. I am really feeling it. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, right here, bring those arms into prayer. We're gonna step it back, curtsy lunge on each side. Yeah, so make sure that you've got space. Good. Now each time you step back, sometimes those hips go topsy-turvy. Make sure those hips are still in line and you're pressing off that heel in the front. Good. Beautiful, chest stays lifted. Right here. Our last 10. You can do it. Woo! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're gonna hold here on this side. Pulse it out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Extend those arms to the back. Now shift the weight forward right here. Good. Now if you need to, drop that toe down, but if not, I want you to lift that knee up. Extending. Beautiful. So our legs should be nice and lifted, nice and straight here. Extending through the top of that crown. Good. Belly stays tight. Hold here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Step it back. Beautiful. Let's switch sides. Finishing up our work today and our Barre Bootcamp. Woo, pulse it out. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5. Get ready to shift that weight. 3, 2, and 1. Flow those arms back. Shift the weight. Good. So we're on that standing leg. Core is nice and tight. Leg is extended in the back. Good. Release the top of the crown. 8, 7, 6. Extending through that toe. Last 3, 2, and 1. Step it back. Good job. Well done today. Now you know what I'm going to say. If you're not new around here, then you know you've got to put in the work if you want the results. And that means that you, my friend, are doing this routine at least one more time. If you're all in, do it 2 more times for a total of 3, and I will sweat with you in our next routine. If you are just watching this, then make sure you check out the links below because there's always a challenge going on, always something fun here in this community. And take the time, if you're not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. It's always there. That's how you stay updated with what's going on, and I can't wait to see you in our next workout. Bye!